So for this task, we have to look at these different flagpoles and see, well, what does this say about the height of the flagpole over time? So if I'm looking at this, we have the height of the flagpole is increasing at a constant rate. Now, how you can see it increasing at a constant rate, uh, the graph is a straight line. So we increase at we'll call this meter per minute. Now, if we look at this graph here, the height of the flag stays constant. So I'm just going to write flag height stays constant. So it stays right at, we'll call that 3 meters. Here, if we looked at the rate of change here, so the height of the flag increases, kind of stays the same for a while, and then increases again. So the flag height increases, stays the same, then increases again. So if we look at D, the flag height increases, decreases, and then increases and decreases. So it looks like the flag is lifted up, then lowered, then lifted up, then lowered, then lifted up, and then lowered. And I'm just going to say that that happens repeatedly. So this is very much a pattern or a wave pattern where it's lifted up at a rate, stops, and then goes down at a rate. So here, if we look at this pattern, so the flag height gets lifted up, then it stops for a while, and then they lift it up, and then it stops for a while, and then they lift it up, and stops for a while. So this could be, someone raising up a flagpole, getting a little bit tired, taking a break um, every second or so. So they turn the crank to lift the flag quite frequently, take a little break, and then so on. So here, commenting on this one, the flag height is lifted at a constant rate, lowered at a constant rate, and then stays at 3 feet. So we can put this over here, lifted at a constant rate. And then here, lowered at a constant rate. And then here, it just stays at 3 feet. We'll call that 3 feet. Could be 3 feet, 3 meters, and so on. So go ahead and just describe this one where it gets lifted, stops, lifted, stops. So I'll write that down real quick for you. So the flag gets lifted, and then stops. And then I'm just going to put repeatedly because that happens more than once.